So, what's up, guys? I'm Lennon from Bub's Creations, and today we are going to learn how to make the gold text effect using Photoshop CS2. You can also use other Photoshop versions, but I'm using Photoshop CS2. Yeah, this effect is pretty awesome. Yeah, you can check it in my desktop background. See, yeah, it's amazing, right? So let's get started. Yeah, let's open Photoshop and open the file menu and click on new, and let the width be 1000 pixels and height 600 pixels, and the background color to be white, and click OK. So it has been created. So our foreground color is white and the background color is black. You can simply press the letter X to switch it. Yeah, see, it's switched. Now go to the paint bucket tool and click on the page. Now we are going to add a text. Go to the toolbar and find the T mark. I'm using Batman Forever text font. You can get this link, you can get the link of the font in my description below. So click that and click here, let it be 225 pt, and let the color be somewhat like orange. Yeah, it's pretty good, like orange. And click on, I'm putting my name, and click the tick option here. So it has been created. Now the background is done and the text is done. Go to the panel here, and on the text layer, left click on it and click blending options. A box will open. Then go to bevel and emboss, and keep the depth to be as 225. Let's check it. No, you can keep it more. See, click on the put the tick mark in the preview button so that you can see the preview while the changes are made. Let's keep it to 1000. Now the size to somewhat, we'll keep it to we'll keep it to 13. Okay. And in the shading part of the box, I click on the gloss contour and select the second one in the second row, the ring one. Click it and click OK. So now it has taken a shining appearance. Let's copy the file, copy the layer, sorry, duplicate the layer. Okay, and left click on the duplicated layer and click group into new smart object. Group into new smart object. Click that. Yeah, it has become a smart object. Now being clicked the duplicated layer, go to edit. Yeah, press free transform in the edit menu, or press Ctrl T in your keyboard, and you can see a target like thing in the middle. Just drag it down to the box below. Yeah, it's done. Now um, right click on the box and click flip vertical. Yeah, it it's like a reflection. Now press Ctrl D or enter, and it's gone. Now what we have to do is press the move button in the toolbar and move this so that you can attach to the top layer. Now add a vector mask, layer mask. Click the layer mask and go to the gradient tool here. Gradient tool. Let the gradient be black, the second one, the black and black turning to transparent. That is a checkerboard like thing. Click OK. Now hold the target at the bottom of the page, or here hold the target at the bottom of the reflected letter and pull it up to 3/4 of the upper letter and leave it. Yeah, now you can see the reflected effect like thing. Now what we are going to do is create a new layer. Okay, you can also reduce the opacity of this so that the reflection will be less. Oh, what happened to this? Yeah, now you can reduce the opacity. I have set it up to 71. Now now click the button next to the trash can below here to create a new layer. A new layer has been created. Okay, now we are going to add water sparkles or the glossy effect to make it realistic. Go to the brush icon here and click any of the soft brushes you need. I have clicked the 21 pixels wide, and I'm increasing the diameter. Just now press X to switch your your foreground and background color. Oh, this is too big. Now your foreground color is white, and click on the parts here. Yeah, you can see the white shining effect. You can click it wherever you want, where you wish to be glossy. You want a glossy effect. Yeah, this is pretty good. Now in layer 1, this is normal. Click on the drop down menu and click overlay. See, you can see the shining effect on this parts of the text. Yeah, now it's done guys. Now if you want, you can crop the image, or you can also change the background color of the page. I'm going to crop it and press enter. Yeah, now you can go to file menu and save for web. Yeah, Now you can click save and choose the destination where you want to save the file. I'm going to save it in the desktop. Yes guys, now we are done with the gold text effect. It's pretty realistic now, and please like and subscribe our channel for more videos, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.